Yamaha V-twin oil filter relocation. This is a Harley Davidson relocation oil filter adapter that I was able to adapt to this bike. Quarter-inch NTP fittings, fill line fittings, go into 3/8 hose here. I was able to get the fitting from Amazon, 20 by 1.5, go into quarter-inch NTP. Here, since the hole, yeah, I'll say this was like a pretty much the size of the hole. The fitting was going till here. Basically what I did, I cut off this guy, and I got 2-inch extension, 2-inch pipe piece, brass, and that with this thing I was able, since the thread is tapered, I was still able to use a 1/4 inch. So I threaded in, put the fitting in, and I did make a notch at the end of the fitting where my oil channel is inside of the engine. Put the mark there. It took a while to kind of make it work, but I think I did it. So 1/4 inch NTP extension, then 1/4 inch NTP coupling, then 1/4 inch NTP 90 degrees fitting, gas line, clamps, gates, 3/8 transmission oil cooler lines, and that's how I was able to make all these come together. That's how it looks. I'm still thinking I need to make something around the hoses to keep them from rubbing, because right now I got zip ties, but that's where everything goes in. That's how it looks from outside. I hope this filter is not gonna be on the way. This bracket is stainless steel piece, and I just jammed it in. And if you are wondering, the oil filter comes out without any problems. That's how it is. I was thinking to make the bracket from the intake bolts, but that's kind of too much of a complications. So I did this to begin with. I'm gonna fill it up, bleed it, and if everything is good, that's where the filter is gonna be. I guess I could have maybe moved it in another 1/4 inch, but I don't know if it's gonna. I think it should clear. It's not sticking out too far, but that's kind of where it is. I think this was the better solution than replacing the engine, because this could have been welded, but then this part is bent, so need to machine it. And how you gonna machine all this? You can gear it, but whatever. So, and this is a JB weld. I put it around here to kind of make something to make the fitting sturdy inside, because I didn't want it to to get loose with the time from the vibration or something. Thread sealant, and that's pretty much it. That's how I made it.